All right, 8th grade, here I am with Jason. And Jason is my #1 bag folder. So Jason, go ahead and show him how to fold this bag.
Okay, so you're going to take it and you're going to flatten it out so all the air's out. You're going to fold the handles in. You're going to turn it like this. And then you're going to fold it like this.
Kind of flatten it as you go to get the air out.
And you start with the end that's away from the top, so then all the air goes out as you go. And then you fold it into triangles, just like you're folding like the flag.
So we started folding our bags like this. I had a drawer of Walmart bags. Okay, go ahead, Jason.
And then once you're done, there's a little flap here, and you can just tuck the rest into here, and then you have it folded.
Okay, so I started folding bags like this. I had a drawer with 106 bags in it. And so one of the first days we were out of school, Jason went through and folded all my bags. So now that we are out of school, well, I'll walk over here. Now that we're out of school all the time, anytime we come home with groceries, while I'm putting groceries away, Jason folds bags. He also helps put groceries away. And Justin pretty much watches us and combs his mullet. So anyway, there's my hack. Bye.